Have you ever felt like no matter what you do, your weight just won't budge? You eat less, exercise more, but your body keeps fighting to stay at a certain weight. It's not your fault. Your body has a built-in set weight that it tries to maintain. But the good news? You can change it. Hey everyone, welcome back to Nutro Plus. Today we're diving into the science behind set weight and how you can reset it naturally for sustainable fat loss. If you're tired of crash diets and endless workouts, this video is for you. What is set weight and why it matters? Your body's set weight is like a thermostat. It's the weight your body naturally defends. If you drop below it, your metabolism slows down and you feel hungrier. If you go above it, your body burns more calories to bring you back down. This is why diets often fail, because your body is fighting to return to what it thinks is normal. But that doesn't mean you're stuck at your current weight forever. You can gradually adjust your set weight with the right habits. Why dieting often fails. Let's be real. Most diets work in the short term, but fail in the long run. Here's why. 1. Extreme calorie restriction backfires. When you eat too little, your body panics and slows down your metabolism. That's why many people regain weight after restrictive diets. 2. Cutting too many carbs or fats. Your body fights back. Ditching entire food groups might help initially, but your body craves balance. Over time, you'll end up binging or feeling exhausted. 3. Willpower alone won't work. Weight loss isn't just about eating less. Your hormones, metabolism, and habits all play a role. How to reset your body's set weight. Now let's talk about how to actually reset your set weight without starving yourself or doing endless workouts. 1. Eat more whole foods, not less. Instead of extreme calorie cutting, focus on nutrient-dense foods like proteins, healthy fats, and fiber. These keep your metabolism running smoothly. 2. Stop yo-yo dieting and eat consistently. When you cycle between starving and binging, your body holds on to fat. Eat balanced meals at regular times to stabilize your metabolism. 3. Prioritize sleep and stress management. Lack of sleep and high stress increase cortisol, which signals your body to store fat. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of sleep and manage stress through deep breathing, walking, or meditation. 4. Move more, but don't overdo it. You don't need intense workouts. Walking, strength training, and daily movement can help shift your set weight naturally over time. Easy lifestyle tweaks for long-term success. Small, consistent changes are the key to resetting your weight permanently. Try these simple shifts. Swap processed foods for whole foods. More fiber, more nutrients, better digestion. Add strength training. Muscle burns more calories even at rest. Drink more water. Hydration helps control cravings and boosts metabolism. Practice mindful eating. Slow down and listen to your body's hunger cues. The secret to sustainable weight loss. So, can you really reset your body's weight set point? Absolutely. But it takes time, patience, and the right habits. Forget extreme diets. Focus on long-term, sustainable changes. If this video helped you, drop a comment below and let me know your biggest weight loss struggle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert-backed health tips. See you next time.